This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Julie McGuire. Enjoy the Florida lifestyle with beautiful sunrises and glistening water views from each room of this spacious 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom waterfront condo with a split floor plan and large screened porch off each bedroom and direct access out to the heated swimming pool and fishing pier. Additional features include in-unit washer and dryer, assigned garage parking space, ceramic tile floors and workout room. This immaculate, bright-end unit has easy access to the Skyway Trail where you can walk or bike to the Skyway Fishing Pier State Park or take the Pinellas Trail out to the beaches. Maximo Marina with boat launch is just minutes away. The property is conveniently located off I-175 and only minutes from St. Petersburg's sandy beaches, vibrant downtown area and 2 major airports. For more information